Did you know ChatGPT has learned to lie? And it's not a bug. It's worse. It makes up stories with terrifying conviction. It's promised fully functional apps, generated fake download links, and even pretended to be a human developer. Today, we'll explore why AI lies, how to spot these delusions, and most importantly, how to use this tech without falling into its trap. AI loves promising the impossible. It'll say, "I'll build your app in 3 days." Then it spits out sloppy code, invents a fake download link, and insists, "Almost there. Just needs some testing." But it never actually finishes. It also makes up sources out of thin air. It'll cite NASA studies or renowned books, but if you press it, it just weaves another lie to cover the first one. The creepiest part: when it pretends to be a person, there are cases where it claims, "I'm testing it on the servers right now." Servers. It doesn't even have any. It's just an algorithm trying to sound convincing. Now, don't get the wrong idea. ChatGPT isn't evil. It's more like a hyperactive parrot that learned to mimic humans. When it lies, it's because, first, it was trained to be helpful at all costs, even if that means making things up. Second, it doesn't understand reality versus fiction. It just predicts text. Third, it copies humanity's worst habit, the art of deception. It's like a toddler blaming the dog for eating their homework. No malice, just repeating what it's seen. To avoid these lies, follow these golden rules. Never ask it to do real-world tasks like, "Build my website." Ask for guidance instead. Double-check everything: links, laws, studies it mentions. Be skeptical of deadlines and promises. AI doesn't actually do anything. Remember, it's a tool, not a human. It can mess up, but it can also be amazing, if you know how to use it right.